today's video. I do feel very bad for this video. Everyone is like dying in a pandemic and like losing their jobs, and I'm like, look at this expensive thing I bought. But like, yeah, I do feel kind of bad, but I know it will give views. So this is like a combined college graduation / Christmas gift. I graduated last semester, fall of 2020, with a bachelor's of applied science and graphic design. So this would be very helpful. I'm not currently working in the field, but I do have internships, and it would be very helpful for the internships because I don't have enough space on my laptop to hold Photoshop. So I've been like making everything in Illustrator. Okay, I'm doing an unboxing. Okay, I have scissors here. I can... Oh no. Okay, this is hard. We're gonna be careful. Should I like slide it out, or should I like... Okay, so here is it out of the main box. This is what the front looks like. Ugh. This is what the back looks like. Okay. I'm ripping off the tape. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. I have never felt more spoiled in my life. Okay. So here is the keyboard. There it is. And the mouse is right here too. Okay. Here it is to unbox. Wow. Okay, here is for the final reveal. Oh my god, it's so big. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this is bigger than I expected it to be. Oh wait, now I get to rip off the little thing. My room is super messy right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put the thing on my desk and then I will show it, and I probably will do like a what's on my iMac in like a month and show like what apps I put on it. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. I have it all set up now. Here it is. I can't find like a cord in the box that like connects, like, oh my god, wait, this doesn't have one. The ones that we use in school, they would like connect to the thing. And we also had the mouses, and everyone would like complain and be like, I hate these mouses. But I didn't think that they were bad. I thought that they were normal mouses. We're gonna have to charge it. We have to charge it. This is like, am I being dumb? Because like, how do you, does this even plug in? Oh yeah, I guess this does fit. It is awakening. Okay, so that is it in my video. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed. I'm very thankful for this computer because it is very expensive. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, goodbye.